Hello. What I like most about Ron and Joanna's self-sufficient backyard is that it sticks. Like the way it's written, or just the pictures it draws in my mind, the information really sticks like a story versus some books I've read. It's just overwhelming information that all gets jumbled. But the way this is laid out, my favorite book at the moment, indeed. It's just like blueberries. They need 2 or 3 different varietals to pollinate best. And when the strawberries stop producing, you can use the runners and and renew your strawberry patch, which is super cool. Those little things, so helpful. And also the blueprint is like tried and true from experience. So I really feel like it's not as arbitrary going into the gardens. It's like science based or experience based, and um, I would absolutely recommend the book. I really want to get it for a couple people in prison, so when they get out, maybe they'll be inspired to do other things. Amazing people. I don't believe they should be in there, and I think the ways of the world have gotten to them. So maybe this will. I mean, it's definitely going to change my life. I just need to do it. It's time. I'm excited about the endeavor, and I recommend this book to anybody. Anybody. Thank you so much.